So let's say you want to add continuous zoom to a certain point in the editing footage. You just have to go select the what you want to do and select effect controls. So let's say you want to add a continuous zoom effect to this guy's face. First of all, you just gotta select these two, then like go to like I don't know 4 seconds or something, and then again increase till you think it's enough, and that was it. Yeah, pretty much it. Now what if play back in? Yeah, there it goes. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but yeah. Then use these things to I don't know what it's called, but you can like scroll that from there to get the precise location. Ah, fuck it.